Good afternoon, students. I've got my headset on, so I'm not yelling at the screen at the monitor. So I hope I don't look too goofy to you this afternoon or this morning. So good to see you. This is my information recording for this week, just to kind of give you a brief summary on our expectations for this week looking into next week. So I've gotten a couple of emails from some of you on Mr. Clark, can't find this assignment, can't find that assignment. Everything is there inside the Bitmoji classroom. Some of it may be a little small. So you may have to look around for some of it, but it is there. So please, please, please make sure that you are looking. That you are looking for everything. Please make sure that you're looking on how to set up SMAW. Make sure that you're looking on the grinder safety. Make sure you're looking on how to use the shear properly. Also, I have set up in the modules, if you click on modules, I have posted some more information. There's a COVID orientation presentation that you need to look at. That is from Bakersfield College. There's a COVID-19 information document that you need to print off and sign. There's a student COVID-19 PDF that you need to print off and sign. There's a BC syllabus COVID-19 agreement that you need to print off and sign. So there's 3 documents there that you need to print off and sign. Also, for those of you that are having trouble finding the document that asks for your BC ID number, it is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the 4th item down. It says BC Safety Exam. BC Safety Exam. If you click on that, it will open up a document. Excuse me, it doesn't open up a document. It doesn't open up a document. Let me back out of that. Let me go back to the modules. I know it is here. Anyways, the BC Safety Exam. excuse me. It is early in the morning. I don't have my coffee in front of me. It is sitting on my other desk over there. So you know how Mr. Clark is without his coffee. It is there. Make sure that you print that off. I don't need the safety topics themselves. I believe at about page 5 or 6, it says, it asks for the information, and it asks for student name, student ID, student address, emergency contact information, all of that. And I need that on file here in the shop. So please make sure that you print that off along with the safety test and bring that with you. The first day. Also, I have put there, the very last thing, a checklist to have for the first day of class. Check to bring something to bring with you. Do not worry about the textbook. I'm still working to get the textbook embedded into Canvas. Do not worry about a welding hood. Again, we have welding helmets here in the shop. Safety glasses, I will provide safety glasses for you, so do not worry about that. Also, you need to come to lab properly dressed. There will not be lockers provided because of the COVID, so I expect you to come to class properly dressed, ready to go to work. Once I scan you in and I take your temperature, you're going to come in and go directly to your assigned welding booth and begin welding. I will send you an email later next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, maybe Wednesday at the very latest, an individual email saying, this is your assigned welding booth. And You'll come in, go directly to that welding booth, do your checklist, make sure that everything is there, and begin welding. Okay, no need to dress out. You should come to class already prepared, ready to go to work. Okay, and you need to bring all of these forms, the COVID-19 agreement, um, the assertion document, the safety forms, and then also on the list there is a link to an app that you can download on your phone. I've already downloaded it on my phone, and you can go there and do the daily health check, and it will give you a green box that says you are safe to be on campus that day. You need to download that because I'm going to be asking to see that green box before I can let you into campus, let you into the welding booth. So you will have to download that app, show me the green check box that you've done the health questionnaire, and that you are uh, free from any symptoms. I will take your temperature, and then we will let you into campus. Okay. Um, Basically, this is how the course is going to work. I will set up the demos. My goal is to do demos on Mondays or Tuesdays, do the recordings and post them into Canvas for you, and then you'll be able to see them, view them. If you have any questions on them, you can email me early in the week. Homework assignments will be posted hopefully again Monday or Tuesday by the first of the week. I'm still working on getting the book embedded into the course. I'm having some issues with that, but that's not your worry. Once I get the book embedded into the course, then we'll work on that. I'm stepping out of the sunlight so the sun's not glaring on my face there. Once I have the book embedded to the course, then it will be opened up for you to use for assignments, anything that we do. Excuse me, voice this morning, and so you'll have that available to you as well. Everything will be posted Monday. Everything will be due Friday afternoon. And so you'll have about 4 or 5 days to work on everything and get it done. Demonstrations will be videotaped right in here where I'm standing. Booth number 16 is going to be my demo booth. You'll see that whenever you come into the shop. And so I'll do all my demonstrations here. And so you'll be able to view that. I will videotape them. There will be no live demonstrations in the shop because of COVID, social distancing, all of that. And so you'll be able to look at those and view those over and over. Again, if you have any questions about any of the demonstrations, feel free to email me. I can redo a demonstration if there's something that you want me to point out, or if there's something that you miss, and post it again, and I can do that for you. So I think that's about all I needed to cover for today. There's a safety presentation that is online already. You need to view that so that you're aware of all the safety features, all the PPE that's necessary. Please do not show up next Friday without the proper PPE. Please do not show up without the proper PPE because I will send you home. Right? If you do not have proper PPE on, I will not let you in the shop because it's important that we work safely. If you have any questions about what is right, what is not right, do not hesitate to email me. Okay, do not hesitate to email me, but I'm a stickler. You know, Mr. Clark's a stickler about working safe in the shop. I've been in industry all of my working years, and I'm fortunate to have all of my digits, and I haven't had any terrible accidents, other than a few here or there. But I don't want you to get hurt. I don't want anybody around you to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. And so I'm very much a stickler on making sure that we all have correct PPE on, and that we're all working safe. So please, please, please make sure that you don't show up in sandals, don't show up in tennis shoes, don't show up in shorts. Make sure that you've got good uh, Levi type materials on, with no holes, no frayed edges, and make sure that you have good PPE on, uh, and we'll go from there. Any questions? Don't hesitate to email me, and I hope I've answered the bulk of your questions. Again, if I haven't, Christian, if I didn't answer your question, and I don't mean to single you out, but you did email me, but I hope I answered the question that you had. If not, please email me again and let me know what assignment it is that you're having issues with. Have a great weekend. We'll be back in touch with everybody Monday, and we'll see you then. Have a great one. We'll see you.